Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Spa pH Increaser. What is Leisure Time Spa pH Increaser? Leisure Time Spa is a granular product that gently adjusts water pH and alkalinity upward. It is ideally used in larger spas and in commercial spas. Keeping your spa's pH balanced is an important part in maintaining proper water chemistry. Proper pH balance increases effectiveness of the sanitizer, thus lowering maintenance costs. Spa is compatible with bromine, chlorine, and biguanide sanitizers. Product benefits: raises pH and total alkalinity, increases the effectiveness of your sanitizer. This product is compatible with all sanitizers including bromine, chlorine, and biguanide. Usage directions: determine amount to use according to bottle label. Make sure equipment is off. Add applicable amount to the spa water. Turn on circulation system for 1-3 hours. Retest water after 3 hours. If pH is still below 7.2, repeat steps 1-5. Dosage: if your pH 6.8 to 7.2, use 1 ounce per 500 gallons. If your pH less than 6.8, use 2 ounces per 500 gallons. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.